Well, hello there. I am Barbie doll, and this is the fat cat. Meow 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 meow. What's up, you? Okay. Well, I'm here to interview her. Well, so anyways, what's your favorite color? As you can see, I am pink. I love pink. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite food? Oh my god! What in the world is... I show me for Friday on this show. Maybe I tell you, big giant friend. Okay, so what's your favorite food? My favorite food is beans. Wanna demonstrate? See what? I tell you, I ate beans this morning. Okay, watch. Oh my god, what the heck is wrong with this baby? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Well, see you later. Goodbye. What?